A manufacturing variance of just 0.5 millimeters in your rim's diameter can turn a safe tubeless setup into a ticking time bomb that no amount of sealant can fix. We assume tires and rims fit perfectly, but the ETRTO standard for a 700C wheel allows a bead seat diameter of 621.95 millimeters with a plus or minus 0.5 millimeters tolerance. If your rim is on the minimum limit and your tire is on the maximum, you create an interference gap that relies purely on air pressure to hold. This is where the physics of sealant fails. Latex fluid is designed to coagulate when forced through a small, high-velocity puncture. But a rim-bead leak is a low-velocity seep over a large surface area. The danger spikes with hookless rims. Without a mechanical hook to catch the tire bead, the system relies entirely on the bead's tensile stiffness, stretch resistance. This is why the 72.5 psi safety limit exists. Exceeding it exponentially increases hoop stress on the bead core. Many cyclists ignore this, pumping hookless road tires to 90 psi. They survive in the stand, but add cornering forces and thermal expansion from braking heat, and the bead stretches beyond the shelf diameter. To verify your seal, listen for the pop. That's the bead overcoming friction to lock into the shelf. If you rely on the soak test and see bubbles at the rim after shaking, the tolerance gap is mathematically incurable. Do not ride it. Respect the tolerances or risk the blow-off. Ride safe.